Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Klarna widget. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll just open here our Google. So at the Google, I will directly search for the Klarna widgets. Okay. So at here, I will just search for the Seva widget. Okay. So our Klarna widget partner here. So basically, to offers the customer the fixable payment for the live event and tickets. Okay. So we can see Klarna. Klarna is basically uh, partner. Klarna and Wet Seats are the partner offer that offers the customer the fixable payments for the live events. Okay, so you can just uh, download this app and this will help you to set your fixable payments. So if you want to get concert, that's very expensive. So you can use this site. Okay, from there you can see this is your performance stadium. So from here you can just use the Carlina on white seat. So this is how we can just do that. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.